Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. So let's go to settings firstly and tap on display. Let's extend the list. And right here we've got firstly brightness level, then dark theme, white balance, night light, adaptive brightness, wallpaper settings, screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, auto rotate screen, font size, display size, screensaver, and notifications on lock screen. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.